Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Edgett. Today is April 13th, and this starts week 1 of mandatory learning. So in this document and in this video, I'm going to go over everything that I expect to be completed this week. All of this is mandatory, which means that you do need to complete these items. So I'm going to go over the document. At first it looks like a lot, but it's actually not that bad. So in this document, you're going to find all the links for you to click on to access everything that you need. So before I go through this, I just wanted to mention that you should be logged into your Boyertown Google account in order for these links to work. So if you try to open this on your phone or on your parents' laptop, just make sure you're logged. Go to Boyertown site, click on the G to log in your Google Apps, and then you'll be good to go. And all these links should be good. Okay, so first thing first, in the top box, assignments, I just chunked everything in here that needs to get done this week. And just so you guys know, all assignments are due 8 o'clock at night on Sunday. So you have about a week to get these things done. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to read chapters 20 to 23 of Walk Two Moons. And just like in class, you know how we follow along the book and listen to the audiobook, you guys are going to be doing the same. So here's how you're going to do that. The first bullet point here, this is a PDF of chapters 20 to 23. So you simply will just click here and it'll pull up the book. And then this link here, if you click here, chapters 20 to 23 audiobook, you can get here. All right, so you'll be able to follow along and listen just like we normally do. After you're done reading the chapters, there are 9 questions in a Google Class assignment for you to work on. This document is titled Walk Two Moons, chapters 20 to 23 questions. So you can access them by clicking here for the assignment. I'll show you what that looks like. Okay. Or you can go to Google Classroom, click on the assignment tab, and it'll be there at the top. Just make sure you click on your right class. So another assignment for this week is the vocabulary quiz. This you can complete at any day. So if you feel really comfortable with the words and you're like, oh, I know them all, you could take it today. But if you still have not put too much time into studying, I suggest maybe you wait till the end of the week. You can only take this one time, so please make sure you're ready before you start it. To get the quiz, you just click it here, and it will bring you to a Google form that looks like this. All right, number 3, extra practice opportunities. In a sample schedule that I created below, which I'll go over soon, I'll say something like spend 10 minutes on an extra practice opportunity. What it means is you can pick from any of these options to complete, okay, and work on for those 10 minutes. So what I have, you can study for your vocab quiz, you can read your own book, you can read through Get Epic, could read through Scope, could practice on No Red Ink, IXL, or Free Write. For Free Write, if you click in here, there are some writing prompts, okay, that you can work on. And if you are interested in any of these, you would just click Start Writing here, and it'll open your own document for you. Because I know a lot of you like to free write, so that's an option that you could do for your opportunities. Okay, last thing on the page is a sample schedule. So I kind of broke everything down for you and told you what to complete each day. Basically, it's going to be 30 minutes 4 days a week for my class. So 30 minutes on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Friday and even Saturday or Sunday can be considered a catch-up day. So if you did not get to take your quiz yet, you didn't finish your questions, okay, you can do so over the weekend and on Friday. So for Monday, I want you to, and that's today, read chapters 20 to 21. I want you to study for your vocabulary quiz, and then you can work on an extra practice opportunity for 10 minutes or more. You can totally do more than that if you would like to. Please try to stick to the schedule as much as you can. I think it'll be good to kind of have a routine. So for each week, you're going to get a document that looks just like this, and I'll record myself just like I did, just reviewing everything that is expected. So if you have any questions, please email me. I am available pretty much any time of the day. I check my email a lot. But good luck, and I hope you guys have a great week.